Hello to you my gorgeous lovers. You are welcome back again to New Vibes, the channel as you always know that gives you the best, unique and trendy nail designs. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on your time and location. And in case you are seeing the channel for the very first time or you are yet to join this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded here, you will be notified. So gorgeous ladies, as you can already see in this video, I have the best, unique, trendy and amazing chrome Christmas nail art designs. So watch the video to the end so that you are going to pick the best light to make for your nails. Because come this Christmas, your nails should look good and sparkling. And as you watch this video, kindly support it by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and also feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones, and you can as well save it for your later use. Thank you guys so much for your tremendous support to this channel. And ladies, at the end of the video, you can also go down to the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. And in case it's not really what you want, you can also go into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch from there and make your choices. To my returning viewers who are always watching and supporting this channel, trust me guys, I always appreciate your effort in my channel, for always coming back to watch my videos and also comment in them. Your effort in my channel is so much appreciated. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.